Take a ride in the 2022 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.